Ow, ow, why is my arm like really hurting? Oh, owie, owie, owie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new and haven't seen my face before, hey, I'm Michaela. What's up? Welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. As you can see, I have my makeup done. That's because I did film this look for you guys today. So today's video is a get ready with me for my sister's grade 12 graduation, because that is today as I'm filming this. It is June 27th and my sister is graduating grade 12, which is completely insane. I just want to say a huge thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I can't believe that so many of you guys are subscribed to my channel. It is absolutely insane to think that 2,000 of you guys subscribe to my channel, and I just love you guys so much and it is much appreciated. So yeah, subscribe if you're new. If this is your first video, hey, what's up? Hello, subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on my social media. I have Instagram and Twitter. I will throw them up on the screen right now. I'm constantly posting for you guys on both of those platforms. I love Instagram, I love Twitter, I love social media. Oh God! Just gonna get right into the get ready with me, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Let's get started. Why do I smell like lettuce? To begin today's get ready with me, I'm gonna start with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer. I'm gonna apply that on my eyelids to just set my eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Just gonna set that with my Maybelline setting powder. This powder is so affordable, and it is basically comparable to the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but I honestly think it's better. I think I might just do some brown shades today, so I might use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna take these two shades here, Agent and Secure, and just apply that in my crease as a transition. Today I'm getting ready for my sister's grade 12 graduation. I actually cannot believe that she's graduating grade 12. It seems like yesterday she just started high school, but here we are, graduating grade 12. Insane. I'm actually gonna go into my Carly palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade here because it's more of like a cool tone brown, I think. I'm gonna take this shade and just apply it kind of in the same area. I think I'm just gonna take this light color and blend it out a bit. I'm gonna take this pink shade here. It's one of my most used shades, you can tell. I'm gonna apply it with my finger to my lids. Then over top of that, for some extra glitter, I'm gonna use this NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow. It's in the shade Polished Pinup. I don't even think I've used this before. We're gonna apply it to my eyelids. That eye's done. I have to like kind of keep it closed so that it doesn't transfer. So here we are. I'm gonna do the other eye. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, I actually love that. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to my foundation while that's drying. I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics CC cream. I'm just gonna apply it on my beauty sponge here. Now going back in with the same concealer I used at the beginning, the Tarte one. I love this one. It's actually really great. Just gonna apply it under my eyes and to some little blemishes that I have. And then blending it out with my beauty sponge. Then I'm gonna set it with my Maybelline powder. Now I don't bake necessarily because I just feel like there's no need. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 4.5. I've been using this for quite a while actually. Like about the same time that I've been using the concealer for, and I freaking love it. It's very comparable to Anastasia Dip Brow. I just plucked my eyebrows today, so they're freshly plucked and looking great. And we're just gonna go in and fill in the brows. Brows are done and they actually look pretty decent. I was kind of a little skeptical at the beginning, but no, they actually look pretty good today. Now I'm gonna do my bronzer. So I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and usually I kind of do a little bit of contouring with it. I'm gonna go in with my blush next. This is the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Mauve Me. Kind of looks like this. Gonna go in and apply that. Now I'm gonna use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. This is like an OG makeup product. So many people used it forever ago, but I only jumped on the bandwagon about like 8 months ago, back in October. I'm gonna apply it in my inner corners just to brighten everything up. I just curled my lashes with my lash curler, and now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Mascara, apply it to my eyes. Ooh, so pretty! I'm gonna do another coat of that because I'm like obsessed with mascara. I think it just completes the look basically. I'm gonna use the other side because this is a dual-ended mascara. And then I'm gonna apply mascara on the bottom. I think I'm gonna do a waterproof one just because, I don't know, I can. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use my Becca Opal highlight. As you can see, I did go and straighten my hair and I added a lip product. I used my MAC Whirl lip liner, my MAC Flesh Pot lipstick, and then for my lip gloss today, I'm actually switching it up. Shocker, I know. I'm using my NYX Mega Shine lip gloss in Sugar Pie. So that is what I just went and did. And this is the completed makeup look. I actually am like obsessed with how it turned out, and usually this never happens. So yeah, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. They're gonna be on the screen and in the description box down below. So go follow me, let's be friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to see my channel keep growing this year. Yeah, it's just super exciting that we finally hit 2,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for all your love and support over the past, how many years have I been on YouTube? I don't know off the top of my head, but a while. Thank you guys so much for all your support. It is much appreciated. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. So I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Let's go.